Hi, I'm Nicole Fudrini. Here is my sheet with my name and today's date on it. Today we'll be going over the sheep's heart dissection I have just completed, and I have the two sides available to go over. So, to begin, we'll look at the anterior portion of the sheep's heart. We have the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, separated by the sulcus, and then the left ventricle. So that is the anterior portion of the heart. Once inside, we have the left valve, which is the mitral valve, and that is on the left side right over here. And that brings rich oxygen blood flowing from the right atrium from the left atrium to the left ventricle. So left atrium to the left ventricle, and that is the mitral valve. Then we have on the right side now is the tricuspid valve. That is over here. You can even see how I lose my finger going down it. The tricuspid valve is oxygen poor blood that travels from the right atrium to the right ventricle. So those are the two valves that connect the right and left ventricles to each other, and the blood flows through. From there we have the aortic valve, which is all over here, and that has the brachiocephalic trunk, things like that. Along with that is the pulmonary valves, which you can see with my dissection tool over here. There's one right there and another right there. There's the two. And then if you connect one, you can see it through the heart, which is really cool. You can just see where the blood will flow through. So that is the aortic valve and the pulmonary valves on the side of it that carry the blood to the lungs from the pulmonary valve, and then the rest of the top half for the aortic valve, so like the brain and that. So those are the valves. From there we have the interventricular sulcus, which separates the left and right side. So that's all over here, and that's what would separate. This is the left from the right. Then we have the endocardium, which covers the inner surface of the heart. So again, all over here, endocardium. From there we have myocardium, which is the tissue that forms the atria and the ventricles. So you would see that here, and then on this side, just to get another idea, all up in here. And then from there we have the epicardium, which covers the surface of the heart. So like the front of the heart is the epicardium. And then we have the coronae tendineae, which was really cool to see. You can see it where my dissection tool goes through. That's the coronae tendineae. They're really cool. I thought that was probably the coolest part to me. And then the coronary arteries, which you can see kind of running through here, and helps supply more blood within the heart. And that is the sheep dissection. A very cool, very fun one.